In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to create this type of AI videos. So first of all, we need to go to novoads AI. The link is going to be in the comment section. And once you arrive here, you need to create an account. After that, you will arrive here. And here, we need to go to the video section. Now we have to click in settings and here in model, change it to Omni Flash. Now in length, my video is 10 seconds long, so I'm going to use this duration. Now we have to click here, and now we have to choose the video that we want to modify. For example, this is a video of me making a promotion video of novoads AI in Spanish. So let's listen a little bit.
Y el diseño está increíble, se la recomiendo.
Así puedes crear un video como el que acabas de ver. Well, now let's modify this video. So let's click here. Now here, where it says describe your video, we're going to use the following prompt that is going to be in the comment section. Now we have to click here, and now click in generate. And now we have to wait more or less 4 minutes. Perfect, here we have the result.
Y el diseño está increíble, se la recomiendo.
Así puedes crear un video como el que acabas de ver en minutos. Primero tienes que ir a novoads.ai y luego de crearte una cuenta. Well, I don't know what you think, but personally I like it a lot, the video. So if you want to do a video like this one, I want to tell you that you can try this platform for just $1. So I recommend you to try it. It's literally less than a coffee. And if you have any doubts, you can comment me in the comment section. Well, after saying that, see you in the next video.